Power of attorney and healthcare directives are two documents that can make all the difference when life takes an unexpected turn. Today, I'm with Deidre Von Rock, the very experienced estate planning attorney of Von Rock Law in San Francisco, who's going to explain how they work and why every adult should have them in place. So, Deidre, what is a power of attorney and when would somebody actually need one?
Sure. A power of attorney is a document that gives another person legal authority to assist you in legal and financial matters when you cannot do so yourself, likely due to incapacity.
Okay, and how is a healthcare directive different from a regular will?
So, a healthcare directive and a will are completely different documents. A healthcare directive is a power of attorney for healthcare decisions. It is a document you execute while you are healthy, stating what your intentions are, particularly for end of life treatment, and it identifies the people that you want to help enforce those decisions with your medical team. Okay. A will is a completely separate document that has to do with the disposition of your assets through probate court after you're gone.
Okay, and if I don't have these documents, who makes those decisions for me if I can't speak, for instance?
Yeah, it's problematic. So, if you're with a primary care provider you've been with forever and they know your wife and your kids, and you may be able to make a collaborative decision, and the healthcare providers will go along with that. But if you're in a medical setting where you don't know anyone and the doctor doesn't know you, they may very well not listen to the family. Also, if there is a dispute among family members as to what happens, does someone want to be put into hospice and to be, let go in that capacity, or does someone want to be plugged in, as you will, forever? If there is a dispute between family members and you have not put your intention in writing, that's very likely going to be decided by a judge.
Yeah, and I think we've all heard anecdotes as well about people not being able to find out one of their children is hurt in an accident, and because they don't have a power of attorney over them, they can't get information from the hospital about how they are.
Yes.
It's not just for estate planning purposes, is it? It's something that everybody should have. Are these documents just for older people, or should younger adults really start thinking about putting them in place too?
Nope, absolutely. And arguably, it's more important for the younger people. We do something here called the College Care Program. And once a child turns 18 years old, parents have no access to their doctors anymore, not to their medical records. You can't even make a doctor appointment for them. So the healthcare directive, along with a HIPAA, which is a federal authority to allow access to medical records, is critical in order for you to keep talking to the pediatrician or to help them if they get hurt in college and you don't know any doctors around there. The medical professionals will not speak to you without these in place. So really, really important for all ages over 18.
Okay, thanks, Deidre, for explaining the crucial role of power of attorney in healthcare directives. To make sure your wishes are respected and decisions are made by someone you trust, you can speak to Deidre and her team at Von Rock Law. Contact details of the firm are in the description below this video. Thanks, Deidre, for that, for your insight, and we'll see you in the next video.
Great. Thanks, Dominic.